and here it is. Here's the color. Okay, it looks like this. All right, so um, let me just bump this across here and have this side by side so we can actually, once I save this, I refresh, I save it on the left hand side, come over to the right, refresh it, and we get immediate results with it as well. So let's say I did something like a paragraph tag, right? And inside the paragraph tag, I'm going to do style um, equal to, again, my IntelliSense will pick up as, if I did this properly with it, here's my style, tab, and I hit tab and it opens up the quote for me. Do background color, tab, and then tell it what color you want. Oh, heck, let's do tomato. Okay, tab. And then come over to the right. You can close that off. So I could say this is a paragraph tag with tomato color. Okay, something along this line with it, right? And you can come to the right of that, hit enter with it, Control S. Now if you look up here, it's not save, it has a round circle. You said when I hover over that, so the moment I do Control S, it saves it, right? Turns it into an X. Come over to this side, hit refresh for me. This I'm using Firefox and it has this kind of like a red tomato color. So both sides that you could see with this. So let's try some more. I mean, I'm gonna do some text color right now with it. So that was all background color. Let's come down here. Let's do some text color with it. Okay. So the text color that we're gonna look at is you're gonna say let's create some text. So let's say H1 with it, and in this H1 you can do style equal, and you can open up your quote. You can say color. You see your IntelliSense kind of picks that up, color with it, right? And when I say with a colon, and then that's I don't know, kind of like tomato for the time being. I don't know why, but tomato. Close off that. Come over to the right. Close that off. In between, you could say tomato color fonts for the text hello world. Okay, so somewhere along that line with it. So you're going to change the color text, Control S, saves it, refresh this over here, and you can see this red is this background right here is tomato with it. Try some more. I mean, try some with a paragraph tag if you want to do P, and you can come in and you can actually do style with it. Hit that IntelliSense, hit that tab, come in. You can also do color, hit tab, and put the color that you want in this case with it. So that was H1. This is I don't know, I'm running out of color choices here. Let's do blue, something like a blue color. And you can do blue. Actually, you can put the blue value. You can put different values in here with it, and you can come over to the right of this, and you can say this is a paragraph tag with blue fonts. Okay. Control S. Come over here and hit refresh. So it kind of gives you this blue font over here. That's what you did, right? So changing out the color, changing out different types of layouts that you can actually use with it as well. So yeah, just go ahead and the key thing is this. What you notice is that color comes with what's called this the attribute that you have is style. And after you type in style equal, it gives you what's called a value, and you give it a property with it as well. So all these are attributes that you can actually use in your coding. And how do you find out what color? Well, remember that website that I was telling you about. All right, let's do some color border. How's that? And just highlight that comment here, and come down here, paste this over here, and I want to say this next one's going to be about border. Border plays a key role in a lot of stuff that you're going to be doing with it. Layouts. I haven't talked to you about the box model yet with it. But you can do, let me just copy some of the stuff that we just did up here with it. So let me copy that, all of those couple of tags, and we're just going to paste it down here with it, making sure you have the right fonts, and hopefully there's no syntax errors in there with it as well. I'm just gonna remove some of these properties in here. So instead of saying color, it's going to be like a different border color. We're going to actually use style instead of color. Let me just remove this content right here, okay, for both of them. So this time we're going to do H1, and we're going to do style. This time we're going to use the word border. All right, and you notice the border IntelliSense kicks in with it. I do colon. I want to do 2 pixel, and the color is tomato. All right, so 2 pixel is the thickness of the line with it, and I'm going to say tomato color instead of font. This is tomato color border with 2 pixel. All right, as border. All right, and you got this. Let me just take out the hello world. Well, you could say just keep that there. Hello world. Okay, so if you want to do that, hang on, we need to do this one as well. So the second one is a paragraph tag. Instead of doing that, we're going to do what? What do we change? We change the word border here as the attribute, and inside of that we're going to change it, make it 2 pixel as well, and this time we'll change that into a different color. How's that? So let's do 2 pixel. And we'll do a different color. How about we do let's pick something like orange. Okay, so let's do something like that. All right, so 2 different color. Control S saves it, refresh. So I gave it a border of 2 pixel. Hang on. Something's not picking up. I forgot something. Left out an important attribute. Look, 2 pixel needs to have a solid. The third parameter is called solid, so I have to give it a space between it, and this needs to have another parameter after the pixel. Let me place my cursor after that and type in the word solid. All right, Control S, come over, refresh, and there you go. Voila. All right, so you could see that there is a border. Here's the syntax: border, colon, 2 pixel solid, tomato. Close that with it. Oh, look at this. I didn't close this tag. Oh, I did. Let's see here. We did this right here. So 2 pixel border. Can we see that blue border? This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph with orange border to be exact. So let me fix this really quick with orange border. All right. So this is, let me save this. Control S. All right. Can we set orange border? It's very, 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 very tinted. Very light here. Let me see if I can give that a little bigger pixel.